Good morning, everyone. So, my topic is turning individual into players, potential team problem. Objectives: understand the dynamics of a team, including how individuals interact and collaborate within a group settings. Discuss how to develop skills in managing and resolving conflicts that may arise within a team. Learn how to foster a collaborative and conclusive environment where all team and feel valued and are able to contribute effectively. What is team player? Uh, is someone who actively contribute to their group in order to complete tasks, meet goals, or manage projects. So, manage yung team player. So, what is team dynamics at work? It refers to the interactions, relationships, and behavior actively contributes to their group in order to complete tasks, meet goals, or manage projects. So the importance of team dynamics in the workplace. Number one, so nalay na po ka importance sa team dynamics in the workplace. So number one, enhance collaboration. So sa ka team dapat na ay communication sa usa-usa para ma-enhance ang ilang collaboration o sharing updates, progress, and challenges. So mao na maka-enhance na sila og collaboration. Number 2, improve communication. O communicate ka with each other, sharing thoughts, ideas, and instruction. Dapat clearly and concisely, ensuring that the message is easily understood by others. So, number 3, higher moral and motivation. So example, sa usa ka team dapat positive ang imong pag-interact o naay mutual support para mo-boost ang individual moral o dapat i-motivate mo sila to sharing story para naay higher productivity. Number 4, effective conflict resolution. So sa team with strong dynamic can address conflicts openly and constructively, leading faster resolution and preserving team unity. So kung strong ang dynamics sa usa ka team, mas ang resolution sa pag-preserving sa team unity. And number 5, increase accountability. So sa usa ka team dapat i-maintain ang roles and responsibility para increase o ma-enhance ang accountability. Number 6, professional development. Interactions within a team offers opportunities for skills development. As individual team members learn from one another's expertise and experience. So as a professional, para ma-develop dapat imong i-share ang imong expertise, experience. So number 7, cultural understanding. So positive dynamics foster a culture of mutual respects and understanding, which is vital in diverse places. So kung positive ang dynamics sa usa ka team, so ang inyong culture environment na mutual respect and understanding. So number 8, resilience to change. Team sa team with kung solid ang lang dynamics, mas mayo nga sangkapan na maka-adapt sa mga kausaban, as they possess strong communication and problem solving skills. So number 9, high performance cultures. So if strong team dynamics contribute to an overall higher performance culture where individual efforts align seamlessly to achieve exceptional outcomes. So kung strong ang dynamics sa team, so higher ang iyang performance, mayo ang outcomes. Number 10, attraction and retention of talent. In organization with positive team dynamics are more attractive to potential employees, and they tend to retain talent due to supportive and engaged work environment. So kung positive ra ang sa ka-team, ang environment sa ka-team, so ma-attract to ang employee, mubos ang ilang mubos ang ilang self o grabe ng ilang skills kay ganahan sila pag trabaho. So here are the several qualities you can focus to be a better players. So first, you understand your role. So as a better team player, dapat makasabot ka sa imong role as a better team player. Second, you welcome collaboration. So makikollaborate ka sa uban. And then third, you hold yourself accountable. Dapat maintain na gyud ang kung unsa ang imong responsibility. And fourth, you have a positive attitude. So dapat positive thinking ka pa, ang positive thinking imong pag nila firmly. Fifth, you commit to the team. So dapat walay ng mga trabaho walay niya dapat kanyud nga buhaton para di maka para to be a better team player. So here are the 5 common roles of team members. First, leaders to delegate tasks and offer direction, while other are supporters who ease tension, challengers question current procedures and enlist the help of thinkers to develop more effective methods, though thinker also inspire innovation on projects. Doers accept practical jumps to facilitate progress, meet deadlines. So napay 5 so saka a good team member, so nay 5 ka C. So mao ni sila. First, communication. So istorya, so dapat kamo communicate sa imong team o and second camaraderie o pagkakaibigan. Dapat kamo ka makisama or friendly ka sa imong co-workers. And then commitment. So dapat kung may mga buhaton nun, buhaton yun dayon para dili magka-cause o conflict. Confidence, magsalig sa conflict confidence. So dapat as a good team members, dapat confidence ka sa imong buhaton. O number 5, coachability. So as a good team members, kung naay di masabtan or di sila kahibaw sa pagbutaan ng butanga, dapat imo silang tuduan. So naay mga challenges sa teamwork. First, role uncertainty. So example ani na siya nga independent nga sa pagtrabaho nga siya ra usa, or so maglisod siya pag adjust kung assign siya sa usa ka team. And second, unclear goals. So dapat unclear goals. Some employee need nga naay kanang katabang sa mga botonon nya na pod employee nga uban nga mabuhat nga siya ra. So dili sila makatarong kay lahi man ang ilang goals sa usa. So usagip ni sa challenges ako siya conflict. Then disengagement, lack of proper direction and lack of innovation. So example ni wala sila kasabot silang role. So mao na mulid og disengagements. Lack of trust. So dapat na kay salig sa imong ka-team para mas productivity ang inyong organisasyon, inyong team. And talent differences. So usa po ni sa challenges sa ka-team kay example ni siya na naay talent o skills nga butanga. So ang uban walay opportunity to explore nga katunan. So diya magkakusa siya conflict. Then napoy 7 ka strategy on how to resolve conflict in workplace. Number 1, clarify what is the source of conflict. So murang i-clarify kung say ikanan sa conflict. Number 2, find a safe and private place to talk. So dapat dili nimo siya naglagan og sulti nga time. Dapat imo siyang pwede ba siya nimong dadon sa lugar nga private aron linaw lang yung istoryahanay. So listen actively and let everyone have their say. So kung naay mga sila mga suggestion, dapat maminaw ka, investigate the situation. So usa ka mong judge, dapat imo sa investigate kung unsay source sa conflict. Number 5, determine ways to meet the common goals. So, imo na siya i-determine sa mga pamagi to meet the common goals. Number 6, agree on the best solution and determine the responsibility and to responsibility part it's part as in the resolution. So dapat imo gyud i-agree ang best nga solution o imo i-determine ang imong i-determine ang mga responsibilities. Number 7, evaluate how things are going and decide preventative strategies for the future. So imo silang i-evaluate sa mga pamagi sa pagdesisyon sa future. So that's all. Thank you.